Hi, and we're going to be doing part 2 of our Space Invader game. So we're going to be giving us the ability to shoot. So let's get straight to that. I'm going to make a new sprite. Click a box. Choose like a colour that you want. I'm going to do yellow. You can have an outline if you want, don't really matter. But make sure that it's not like this. You want it like this. You want to set that. Make sure it's in the center. Now you're going to go when flag looked. Hide. But forever, if key space pressed or mouse down. This is just so you can hold down your left mouse button or your drag pad, whatever it is for a computer, or you can hold space to shoot. It's whatever you want. Then we're going to go with control and we're going to create a clone. But we're going to make it so you can't just spray bullets, so there's going to have to be a timer in there. Like that. Now we're going to go, when I start as clone, we're going to want it to go down or go up the screen. You can just do move steps, and we're going to want to repeat until your Y position is greater than, what's this like? Let's go 180. When we're done with that, we're going to delete this clone at the bottom of control. Now if we try this, oh yeah, this is working. We just need it to show. When I start as clone, show. Oh yeah, and we need them to actually go to the player basically. And also switch out this move 10 steps. I'm going to change Y by 10. Go to, yeah, now it should work. Here we go. So you can hold down the space, we can just tap it. We are shooting bullets, but I think that's too many. So I'm going to half it. We're going 0.1. Maybe even a bit more than that. Yeah, so we can change this later, but seems fine. You can also say it goes over the player. We want it to go behind, like this. And also it's kind of just coming out of the thing. We need to make it give a little tank, like a little shooter. We haven't made anything yet, but I can just copy and paste this. And make it a lot smaller. There we go. Unless it's bad, but we will change this. So now we have bullets going across the screen. But I think what we should also do is go to the enemy, and on the when I start as clone, in this repeat, up here, just put that there or there, it doesn't really matter. You need to go if touching sprite 1, so it's easier, name this bullet. If touching bullet, then we want to delete it. So right, now if we try this, it's actually hit it. Yeah, we are deleting. But the bullet does go through, like that. So, we're probably going to want to change that. So if we go to, bullet, yeah. If touching the enemy, then we want it to delete itself. But now what's happening is it's deleting itself before this can register as touching. So we just need to make that wait like a very small amount of time so the code can actually run. Because this code is running first, I think, because it's in the front layer and it runs quicker. There you go. You better wait 0.01, so if the code is timed to run, it will do that. And we also make guy if touching enemy, then we'll stop the game. So now if we get hit by an enemy, the game stops. So you make sure you save, and yeah, that's part 2 done. We can now shoot bullets, destroy the enemy things, we can also die. The bullets delete when hitting, and yeah, everything works perfectly. So yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.